scoot about this far up on the chair, right there. And then just a little bit more, your bottom, right there. And then just lean your upper back here. By the way, he is military, right? A Marine.
Mm-hmm.
Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right there. So we got some good upper cervical movement right here. Don't worry about the eyes. He's still looking at the ceiling. Relax right here for me. Good. Excellent. Okay. All right. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Nice. Okay. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax right here for me. Good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Yeah. All right. Relax your elbow here. Right there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Lay face up for me. Okay. Okay. Relax right here for me. Good. Right in here. Good.